To improve the voltage profile, let's run the load flow first. In the dual feeder configuration, where two incomers are on and bus coupler breaker is off, and here the bus voltage you can see 102.6%. here under voltage 96.75%, almost 97-98%. so how to improve the bus voltages, how to sort out the under voltage or over voltage issues in the bus using transformer tap changing fixed tap positions. Let's go to the transformer tap here. This is primary side tap. If we increase to plus 2.5% tap, and for this transformer 2 also TR04 primary side plus 2.5%. let's run. So now we can see this voltage profile is improved from 97% to 99.99% and bus B 100%. But for the downstream, you can see this downstream bus voltage 94.2%, here 95.3%. so let's change the tap here. In this case we need to decrease the tap minus 2.5%. Let's change for these LV 2 transformers also. Let's run. It is slightly improved, but still there is the marginal alert. To improve further, let's change the fixed step again to minus 5%. If other loads which are connected with the respective bus or any other parameters cannot be changed, we can adjust by changing the transformer fixed tap position in this way. Now we can see the bus voltage profile is improved to 99% and 100%, so it's fine. Let's change for this also to minus 5%. Let's run. You can see this is now 100%. Bus voltage is now improved. This is 99.41%. so there is no alert, marginal or critical alert. This is quite acceptable limit. So in this way we can improve the bus voltage profile